Antoinette, the Jeanneau Merry Fisher 895. We're just on our way on a very ordinary day to get our tender rack. We're going to get a tender rack above the outboards on the back, because we've got it on the bow at the minute, and as you can see, it does inhibit the view quite a lot from the cockpit here, especially when we have the SUP mounted on the side there. Check out the other video for how we mounted the SUP. But yeah, so having the tender on the bow does inhibit our vision quite a lot. A lot of people say put it on the roof. We have a little bit of a bridge issue where we live. We're in the canals of the Gold Coast, so you can see us going through a bridge, and there is not a lot of clearance, especially when the tide is high. So really not an option for us. So we're going to get a rack on the back above the outboards. We're just heading up to the Coomera Boat Works, so we've got a little bit of a journey. It's about a 2-hour journey up to there from where we live. So let's see how it goes. Just coming up on Gold Coast City Marina, which is a very large marina, and we're not really sure where to go. So we'll find it soon. Apparently the boys are down there ready to catch us. So we made it, we're here at the boat works, ready to go. All moored up, just a boat ramp slip. So that's where we're putting the tender rack, over the top of the outboards, removing that one rail there. Shine Stainless is doing the work, so here down at the boat works. So they're just coming down with all the tools and the new rack. Shine Stainless have finished, and it looks fantastic. So I think it's all locked in, engine's all done. We will change these straps up a little bit later on, probably make firm strap, like pieces of rope with hooks on the end, but let's go have a look around. So it does have a pretty cool swoop on it, as you can see there, sort of edges to the back, and you can see these tie downs. It's got really nice tie downs on either side, so I'll probably put some eye bolts in here and make a strap to tie it down properly, rather than these ratchet straps that are sort of bit too big. So same at the other end, on the port side, got an engine mount there. So engine goes in there, and two other tie downs to go there. We've only put the one in, and that connects to the bow there. So when we bring it on, just put the motor on, then flip it from this side and lock it in. So we're all done. Alright, thanks a lot for watching this one. Don't forget to check out the boys at Shine Stainless. They did a great job here, and like and subscribe.